Hey snack lovers! Welcome back to the Health Channel. Are you tired of reaching for the same old boring snacks day after day? Or maybe you find yourself staring into the fridge, hoping for inspiration to strike. Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the ultimate guide to quick, delicious, and satisfying snack ideas that will completely transform your munching game. We're talking about everything from super speedy 5-minute fixes to slightly more adventurous bites that are still totally doable on a busy day. So, get ready to say goodbye to snack time boredom forever. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the MVPs of quick snacks, the 5-minute wonders. These are for those moments when you're absolutely starving and need something asterisk right now. Asterisk. My absolute favorite is the upgraded avocado toast. Forget just mashing an avocado on bread. Let's elevate it. Start with a good quality slice of whole grain toast. Mash half an avocado directly onto it. Then sprinkle on some red pepper flakes for a kick, a pinch of sea salt, and my secret ingredient, a little squeeze of fresh lime juice. It brightens everything up. Another go-to is the Greek yogurt power bowl. Take a scoop of plain Greek yogurt, which is packed with protein, and swirl in a teaspoon of honey or maple syrup. Then, go wild with toppings. A handful of berries, a sprinkle of granola for crunch, and some chia seeds for extra fiber and omega-3 south. It's like a dessert, but it's actually good for you. It takes literally 3 minutes to assemble and keeps you full for hours. Now, let's move on to something that feels a little more special, but is still incredibly easy. Savory bites. If you're craving something salty, you have to try these cheesy cucumber coins. Slice a cucumber into thick rounds. In a small bowl, mix together some cream cheese, a little bit of chopped dill or chives, and a pinch of garlic powder. Spread a small amount of this mixture onto each cucumber slice and top with a sprinkle of smoked paprika. It's so refreshing, crunchy, and satisfying. Another fantastic option is the quick caprese skewers. You just need cherry tomatoes, small mozzarella balls, they're called bocconcini, and fresh basil leaves. Thread them onto a small skewer. Tomato, basil, mozzarella. Repeat. Drizzle with a tiny bit of balsamic glaze, and you have a fancy-looking, delicious snack that took you no time at all. These are perfect if you have friends coming over unexpectedly, too. What if you have a sweet tooth? Don't worry, I've got you covered. One of my all-time favorites is apple sliced donuts. Core an apple and slice it into thick, horizontal rings. You'll get these perfect little donut shapes. Then, spread your favorite nut butter on top. I love almond butter for this. Now for the fun part, the sprinkles. You can use shredded coconut, mini chocolate chips, chopped nuts, or even some cinnamon. They are so fun to make and even more fun to eat. Another brilliant sweet snack is frozen yogurt bark. Line a small baking sheet with parchment paper. Spread a thin layer of your favorite yogurt over it. Now, sprinkle on your toppings. I like to use sliced strawberries, blueberries, and a handful of pistachios. Pop it in the freezer for about 2 to 3 hours until it's firm. Then, you just break it into pieces. It's a healthy, frozen treat that's perfect for a warm day. Let's talk about snacks you can make ahead of time to save your future self. Batch prepping is a game changer. My #1 recommendation is no-back energy balls. In a food processor or a big bowl, combine 1 cup of rolled oats, half a cup of peanut butter, a third of a cup of honey, and a 1/4 cup of flaxseed or chia seeds. You can also add a scoop of protein powder if you like. Mix it all together until it forms a sticky dough. Roll the dough into small, bite-sized balls. You can roll them in coconut flakes for a nice finish. Store them in an airtight container in the fridge. And you'll have a perfect grab-and-go snack ready for the entire week. Another great prep-ahead idea is roasted chickpeas. Drain and rinse a can of chickpeas and pat them completely dry. This is key for crispiness. Toss them with a tablespoon of olive oil, salt, pepper, and your favorite spices. I love using smoked paprika and cumin. Spread them on a baking sheet and roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius for about 20 to 30 minutes until they're golden and crunchy. Let them cool completely before storing them in a jar. They are a fantastic, crunchy alternative to chips. Okay, let us get a little more creative with some next-level snack ideas that are still super simple. Have you ever tried sweet potato toast? Instead of bread, you use a slice of sweet potato. Slice a large sweet potato lengthwise into quarter-inch thick slices. Pop them in your toaster on the highest setting. You might need to toast them 2 or 3 times to get them cooked through and slightly crispy. Once they're done, you can top them with anything you'd put on regular toast. My favorite is a dollop of cottage cheese with a sprinkle of cinnamon and a drizzle of honey. It's a fantastic combination of sweet and savory. Another fun idea is a DIY trail mix bar. Instead of buying pre-made trail mix, which can be high in sugar, create your own. Set out small bowls of ingredients like different nuts, almonds, walnuts, cashews, seeds, pumpkin, sunflower, some dried fruit. Be careful with the sugar content here. Go for unsweetened options. And maybe a few dark chocolate chips. This way, you can customize your mix based on what you're craving that day. It's a great way to control ingredients and have fun with it. Finally, let's not forget about beverages. Sometimes, the perfect snack is actually a delicious and filling drink. My go-to is a simple green smoothie. Don't be scared of the color. It's incredibly tasty. In a blender, combine a large handful of spinach. I promise you won't taste it. Half a frozen banana for creaminess and sweetness. Half a cup of pineapple chunks for a tropical vibe, and about a cup of unsweetened almond milk or water. You can also add a scoop of your favorite vanilla protein powder to make it more filling. Blend it until it's super smooth. It's a powerhouse of nutrients and is so refreshing. It's a fantastic way to get a serving of greens in without even trying. It's the perfect afternoon pick-me-up that won't lead to a sugar crash. Give it a try, and you might just get hooked. So there you have it, a whole arsenal of quick, delicious, and healthy snack ideas to keep you fueled and happy. From the super-fast 5-minute fixes to the prep-ahead lifesavers. There's something here for everyone and every craving. The key is to have a little fun, be creative, and stock your pantry and fridge with these healthy staples so you're always prepared. I'd love to hear from you. What are some of your go-to quick snacks? Let me know in the comments below. I'm always looking for new ideas to try. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you found these ideas inspiring. If you enjoyed this video and want more delicious recipes and tips, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. It really helps the channel out. Until next time, happy snacking.